we economists usually think of trade unions as mainly as an economic organization. In my book, World of Insecurity, I have emphasized another aspect of trade unions, a cultural role, if you like. In fact, my title of my book, World of Insecurity, a large part of my book is not just on economic insecurity. I talk about cultural insecurity. Trade unions are not just institutions for wage bargaining or improvement of work conditions. They also act as a cultural anchor of shared identity, solidarity, and pride in work. They used to tame and transcend parochial, sectarian, or ethnic passions. With their weakening, there is a cultural void filled in by various kinds of populist demagogues. So trade union decline has also meant a void in the cultural sphere, which of course economists don't usually talk about.